I have used the Purwick system for about 6 years now. My old machine just finally burned out, so I bought a new one. So I thought it was a good time to talk about tips and tricks, my experience with it, how you set it up, all of the above. I'm going to try to cover in a quick video as I can. This is everything that comes in a box. This is not a difficult system to figure out. It's just getting used to it. If you've used a Purwick in a hospital, it's the same thing. It just goes on a bedside table or the floor versus the wall behind you in a hospital bed. So, big thing is this system works off suction. So, everything has got to be connected or shut tightly. That is like if you have a leak, you're not going to get any suction and then you're just dead in the water. Nothing's going to work then. So you want to make sure that not only are you cleaning this well every time you're emptying it, but also that you're reconnecting things really, really well. What's nice is they do give you cords as far as the power cord or the tubing cording between the machine and the external catheter that has some length to it. So you're not like, you know, where you can't roll over or anything like that. You can still roll over and do things in this with this system working. You're going to plug one end into the machine and then the other end goes into an external catheter. Nothing's going inside of you. It's just going up against you. The brand itself has a external catheter. They recommend you're going to see a different one in this video, but they do have one that goes along with this machine. This machine is also the one that does not have a battery backup. Um, I just had it for 6 years and we really didn't have that many power outages. So we just went with the one that is just purely has to be plugged in. For me, it works. For you, you may want to have that added um, feature of, if your power goes out, the machine is going to still run. We have taken this traveling with us. That's how life-changing and how different my sleep is from using this, not using this. And my husband can sleep now because he doesn't have to worry about, I have some mobility issues and that's why I need this at night. And he didn't have to worry about me falling when getting up to go to the bathroom. There is one button on or off. That's it. And when you turn it on and off, you are going to start hearing suction. And if you don't hear suction, this is the biggest tip I can give you. Pour a little water in it. That's all you need to do. See, you're going to hear it now. It always takes a second longer than I think it is, and which freaks me out that the machine died, but it didn't. You put the external catheter on it, and then just up against you between your legs. That's it. And then it's just going to suction any urine output into the canister, which you can empty in the morning. Honestly, life-changing to me. Life-changing. I highly recommend. Lasted 6 years, the machine. Love it. All the way around, 2 thumbs up.